Okay, start from Jammu. We had nice cooperation with all our group, and we got everywhere. We got nice residencies. We had delicious food, and all around the places we visited. As per the schedule, we visited all the places. We are much satisfied with the driver. Driver also very good, and he's driving the car very smooth way, very cooperative. Everyone.
Hotel, it was very good, very comfortable stay, and food also very good. I thank one and all our travels. We suggest other friends also about all our travels. Thank you very much.
Very happy.